Petrache Poenaru, formerly known as Semănătoarea, is a metro station in Bucharest. It was named after Semănătoarea, an agricultural machinery factory located in the vicinity. It services both what is left of the factory, that was severely downsized a number of times, part of the Regie student campus located in the vicinity, the Sema Park industrial park, as well as some newly built residential areas. The station was designed with relatively little traffic in mind. It has a central track design with two narrow platforms on each side of the tracks. The station was opened on 19 November 1979, initially as a temporary terminus of the first subway line of Bucharest, making it one of the initial 6 stations of the Bucharest Metro to enter commercial service. It is also located close to the Semănătoarea, Ciurel, Metro depot. The walls of the station are made of yellow and beige tiles, with the floor being built in uniform yellow mosaic pieces. The station entrance is unusual in that it faces the street at an angle of 90 degrees and is just a few meters from the road. It was one of the least used stations in the city at some point, but recently, industrial and residential projects in the area have increased the station's usage. References: Codadional 1.200 Departamente in Loc de Semănătoarea, 8 March 2006.